Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today topic is second wave of coronavirus SC. So let's start the video. The second wave of coronavirus infection has been spreading fast, which has caught even the medical officials by surprise. During the first wave, which was experienced last year, on an average 150 suspected cases would come for testing every day. But this time, the number of suspected cases who are coming for testing in Medic registry alone has crossed 300 every day. In the past, we used to get one or two cases from a family if a person tested positive for COVID-19. Now the situation is very different. Virus has been spreading through the air. The variant strain muted virus may also be another reason for fast spread of virus, he added. However, from February onwards, cases begin to rise exponentially, and in 1 month, February to March, India recorded as many as cases in 6 months of 2020. This is the second wave because it is the second time that COVID cases are on the rise. The second wave of COVID 19 is of concern because the new mutant is very contagious and has learned to dodge our antibodies. Even the 30 to 45 age groups who supposedly has a strong immunity is susceptible. Symptoms of second wave of COVID-19 is mostly same as first wave of COVID, like fever, chills, body ache, loss of smell and taste, and loss of breath or respiratory complications. However, other symptoms which were not very common among COVID 19 patients in India last year are being reported with greater frequencies. These symptoms are pink eyes, loose motions, and hearing impairment, which is a totally new sign detected in the second wave of COVID 19 pandemic. The precautions of second wave of COVID is same as before, like we should not go out unnecessarily, stay home. People who have to go out for work need to wear a mask. Wear a N95 mask and a surgical mask over it. Stay masked the whole time you are outside. Sanitize your hands. Get vaccinated as soon as possible. The COVID vaccine reduces the chances of getting infected, and even if you do, the infection will not be serious. So this is about essay on second wave of coronavirus in India. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's Create Writing. Thanks for watching this video.